Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, just over 2 weeks after hinting to TVJ Sports that there was a likelihood that the Racers Grand Prix could be postponed due to the continued spread of COVID-19, President of the club, Glenn Mills, on Monday confirmed that the decision to postpone was communicated to World Athletics in recent days. The Racers Grand Prix is one of 10 meets which was awarded the gold status in the newly formed 2020 World Athletics Continental Tour last year.
The summary of everything is that based on the current world conditions and uncertainties, we postpone the meet pending further. Well, we don't know what's going to happen. So in due course, we will have to make a decision whether we'll have a meet or not. But for now, the best we can do is postpone it.
The meet, which was originally scheduled for June 13 this year, was set to have core events such as the triple jump, discus throw, 3,000-meter steeplechase, and 200 meters, which were cut from the Diamond League. Mills, who chairs the organizing committee, says the decision to postpone was straightforward given the global restrictions on travel and the quarantine procedures.
There's no need to consult because everybody have a front row seat on what is happening, unfortunately.
Now, the Continental Series was set to begin on May 10 in Tokyo, Japan, and would also include meets in the Netherlands, Finland, and Poland.